Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show a simple planting of seed with seed allocation. So if I sign into LiveFarmer, and the first thing I'm going to do in Master Setup is to check that I've got my variety entered. So if I go into the variety section and type in for Kodiak, and just search. I've got my baby spinach seed, and I've got a target population in seed count per linear meters of 1800 seeds. So let's just come out of there. And if I go into farm activities and then into planting, I can add in this particular planting. So I click the blue plus, I put my day, my start time. So I started at 10 past 10, and I've just finished. Put the week number 18. The crop is baby spinach. I add to it the planting area. So my planting area on my property was Pebworth, and I was planting in Middlefield. Okay, and it's now given me an area for Middlefield. If I just tap on the white space where the planting area is, the first thing I need to do is to choose my variety. So I'm planting Kodiak spinach, and the system knows it's got my area, and I'm selecting my row. So if I'm just planting the first rows 1 to 10, okay, it will recalculate the area for me in linear meters planted. I put in my rows on a bed, the target population, etc., and it should show me how many seeds I need to be planting. So the 272 or 2.7 million seeds, and I can add an allocation of seeds. So if I take my second batch, okay, of the seed count, and I've used information from that batch, I've got a weight out and a weight in. So if I'm actually doing it by physical weight, I can do that, or I can just leave what the system has told me. I've got a linear meters planted on the left of 1511.18, and if the planter has told me differently, so say for example, if I've gone 1600 linear meters, okay, I would need to adjust my area up to be able to do that. So I'll just accept that for the minute and say done. And I can save that, and it will then add my planting into there. And if I go back into the shed activities and go to stock item inventory, pick my seed for Kodiak, and so baby spinach Kodiak, you see it's adjusted the amount of seeds I've got from my second batch from Syngenta.